This right here is the paint that we got from Lowe's. It is called Stone Lion. Really like this color. So we're gonna paint the walls. Well, that was a big mess, but I did get it cleaned up. And as you can see here, James put this old piece of drywall on the top of the cabinets to make a little place for me to put the paint so that it's out of the reach of the kids. First coat is done. Looks really good. It definitely needs a second coat, but we'll get that done in the next 2 days when I'm off work. And let the record show that I actually stopped painting in this corner. And when I went to cook dinner, James painted this, 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 and this to finish it. And he hates painting. There he is.
Here I am.
Now that I've seen that you can paint, cat's out of the bag. You're a mess. You're painting everything from now on. Everything. All right. Let's go to bed. I'm tired. I'm getting coat number 2 done today so that when James gets home from work tonight, he can start laying down more of the flooring from here on over. Hi, Isaac. You want to watch Choo Choo Trains? Yeah, we can. The second coat of everything is done. It's still not completely dry, so it looks a little blotchy in some spots, but it is finished. And I am so glad to be done painting this room. I don't mind painting, but you know, I just painted this whole house, so I'm ready for a break from painting. Anyway, so it's done. So next we will probably start working on pushing the rest of that floor out, because the same flooring that's in that room will be this whole room and that kitchen area, and it'll go to this hallway. When we purchased it, we bought enough for all of that. So here is the rest of it here. It's just cheap flooring from Ollie's. And James has started on the flooring tonight. The flooring that we're putting in this area over here that we just painted is the exact same flooring that is in the movie theater room. It was to like right there. So he did finish extending it to the bar. We have to add a piece of trim to go down there out of barn siding. And then he also started it this way and then went down that end. Making progress. I'm completely surprised at how much I like this flooring, considering it was so inexpensive and from Ollie's. James says that it installs really easily. It just clicks together like tongue and groove, and it's also really easy to cut. He's cut it by scoring it with a box blade and snapping it, and he's also cut it by using multiple different saws. Regardless, it's really nice. It looks really nice. It's pretty durable. We haven't really scratched it yet, and I just really like it. And this is how far James got tonight. He got a decent amount done. And really just like an hour and a half when he got home from work. So, making progress.
All right, it's Friday morning. Just took the kids to school. I think I'm gonna work a little bit in the basement today since I got little Mr. Isaac here who's not feeling so well. Had a fever this morning. Yep, got him some choo-choo trains on the big screen. And I'm gonna go over here and work on some flooring. My goals this week for the next couple of days is to finish the flooring over here. And then also I got to build a beam. Let's see, where are we at here? On this, ooh, this way, sorry. I got to build a beam up there so I can go ahead and put that ceiling in, which has been a while. But anyways, yep, so that's what we're going to do today. And hopefully it doesn't take me too long to put the flooring down. And I really hope that I have enough. I calculated it a long time ago based off of where we thought these walls were going to end up. And I'm hoping that it was correct. So I think I'm going to have just enough flooring. But here we go.
If you look at the left part of the screen here, you'll see that lightly colored concrete on the floor. It's kind of hard to see, but that's actually the self-leveling concrete that James put down, and it turned out perfect. Beforehand, the flooring there and the concrete was very wavy, but now it's perfectly flat, so we can put the flooring down without any issues. And if you want to see how that's done, James showed how he put down the self-leveling concrete in the previous video. All right, here's the flooring. It's done and it looks amazing. It definitely needs mopped, so I already know it's dirty, but it looks so good. I love this flooring. It's very rustic looking. I like the different colors and variations in it. It actually reminds me a lot of the barn siding, so I feel like it's a perfect match. Come over here and I'll show you where it is in the gun safe. Put that in there. Here's this old chair. This thing is old and ugly, but it's the most comfortable chair you'll ever sit in your life, so I'm never getting rid of it. Flooring back there, and then flooring going in this hallway. And then right now, this is just all of our gun reloading stuff we have shoved over here just to get it out of the way, but flooring's done over there as well. And James did also start putting in some of the trim. So you can see he's got that piece in and then this long piece going there. But we're actually out, so we need to go to the store to buy more to do all of this. And then everything coming this way. And of course, he had to put up the first decoration in this area. I love it. I'll explain how he made this in a future video, but that's the paws of a bear that he actually harvested when he was in British Columbia, Canada. Anyway, okay, back to the basement. James did put the trim down along this, which gave it a really nice finished look. That is just a long, thin piece of barn siding, and he also got that in over here as well. So there's the hallway. That leads into the bathroom. It flows so nicely now since the flooring's in. And then going this way. And then for this room, we kind of changed our plan a little bit. This was going to be like a second living room with couches behind me here. But honestly, the more we thought about it, that's kind of wasted space. We don't need a second living room. There's already couches down here in the movie theater for people to sit in if they want to. So what we're gonna do instead is make this an awesome specialized gun area. So we're going to reload all of our ammunition here. We'll make all custom built-ins with cabinets and everything in this whole area. And we can maybe even have some gun racks to display some of our older guns, but then have an area to clean guns and an area to do gun reloading and just do all of that stuff here because we need a place for that. And I found some inspiration pictures on Facebook in a Woodland Mills sawmill group that I'm a part of. I'll show those pictures here. But anyway, flooring looks great. James did a fantastic job. Cheap flooring from Ollie's, but I love it. If you have any questions, let us know.